Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So, oh my gosh, for my Telfar lovers, y'all, guess what I got? I got the black circle bag. Oh my gosh. And yes, I'm going to be unboxing it in this video and talking a little bit about it, and also I'm going to be styling it at the end of this video. So yes, let's get into this vlog. For those of you who love my content, please don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up, share it, comment down below, and please subscribe. I am on the road to 300 subscribers. Mwah.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.
Y'all, this packaging is a 10 out of 10. Y'all know how they normally have that plastic bag with the dust bag? I love that they have the plastic bag, but they also have a gift box with the dust bag.
As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Oh my gosh, do y'all see this? Oh my gosh, I love this bag. I've been trying to get this bag for the longest. Look at how gorgeous this is. And I love how you could wear it in different ways. Like, look at this. I love the handle. Oh gosh. Y'all, it has a zipper. It has a zipper, y'all. Finally. It better have a zipper if it costs that much. I'm gonna include the price at the end of this video. And these are the straps.
So many reasons why I want you for you. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me dance. Now you want to return, it's mine now. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark machine. See me, I won't make it no, send me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like, oh no, get out, make you, oh no, I beg, make you, pull over, come on, pull over. No, I'm not telling me what's up in God. I'm not to make me dead, I'm not gonna want you with you. I'm not gonna tell me with this up in God. I never tell you, baby. This love will make me this. Look at your shit, baby. Oh no, baby, oh no. You make me high, go low. You make me young, boy, go loco. You make me young, boy, go loco. This is how I'm making you, baby. I'm like making you, oh baby, oh no.
So here's the other way you can wear the bag, by adding the strap. I love that they included these pockets. So you would have two pockets on the outside and then the pocket on the inside with the zipper. I love it. Extra storage space.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you young? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands.
As a Telfar lover, I feel like this is a collectible and a must-have bag when it comes to fashion, because you could have the simplest outfit on, but this will bring it out. But it's not worth over $500, to be honest. So here is my receipt, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye.